Hello dear student, today we will start the chapter number 12. The name of chapter number 12 is how heavy and how light. Okay, now today we will start from the new topic. The name of our new topic name is addition and subtraction of kilogram and gram. Now see, listen here. First of all, start from this question. Write in column and add the following example. Your example is given to you. This is 18 kg, 950 gram and 12 kg, 600 gram. Your topic is what? Write in column and add the following example. First of all, you have to write in column and add the following examples. Here will be 18 kg, 950 gram. It means that here will be 18 kg in the form of, and this is your 950 gram, and 12 kg, 600 gram. It means that the solution of the example is what? First of all, we have to draw the column. Okay, because the question is what? Write in column and add the following example. We have to draw the column. It means that you have to write down the kg on this side, and this is our gm on other side. This is the gram, and this is our kilogram. Okay. Your question is what? This is our 18 kg. This is our 950 gram. This is our 18 kg, and this is our 950 gram. It means that here will be 18. We have to write down on kilogram, and the 950 we have to write down in the form of gram. Okay. Next one question is what? Here will be 12 kg, 600 gram. Okay, 12 we have to write down in the form of kilogram, and 600 we have to write down in the form of gram. And next we have to add the following example. You have to use the simple addition. You have to add the following example in the form of kilogram and gram. Now see the example carefully. First of all, we have the addition of gram. Okay. It means that you have to start from the gram. This is our 0 plus 0 is what? 0. 5 plus 0 is what? 5. Okay. Here will be 9 plus 6 is our 15. This is our 5. 1 is also carry. 8 plus 2 is our 10. 10 plus 1 is our 11. 1. 1 is also carry. 1, 2 and 3. This is our 31. Once again, 0 plus 0 is what? 0. 5 plus 0 is what? 5. 9 plus 6 is what? 15. This is our 5. 1 is also carry. This is our carry. Okay. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. This is our 1. 1 is also carry. Okay. 1, 2 and 3. This is our 3. It means that your correct answer is what? You will be 31 kg, because we have to 31 in the form of kg. This is our 31 kg. Your final answer is what? 31 kg. And this is our what? In the form of gram. This is our 550 gram. This is 550 gram. This is our final answer. Example. Write in column and subtract the following example. Same, we have to solve in the form of subtraction. 63 kg, 500 gram. We have to subtract it. 43 kg, 250 gram. Now see the solution of the example. First of all, you have to draw the same column. It means that you have to write down the kg, and you have to write down in the form of gram. This is our gm. Okay. It will be 63 kg. It means that 63 we have to write down on this side, and 500 gram we have to write down on this side. This is our gram. And we have to using the subtraction. We have to solve this question. Okay. First of all, we start from this. This is our 63. We have to write down in the kilogram. 500 we have to write down in the gram. Next one example. 43 kg, 250 gram. It means that 43 we have to write down on this side, and the 250 gram we have to write down on gram side. And next we have to solve the example. Okay. This is a 0 minus 0 is what? 0. 0 minus 5 is not possible. This is a 10. 10 minus 5 is what? 5. Okay, and this is a 4 can be replaced by 5 can be replaced by 4. 4 minus 2 is what? 2. This is what? 250. Okay. Next, you have to solve 3 minus 3 is what? 0. Here will be 6 minus 4 is what? 2. It means that your answer is what? Here will be 20 kg. 20 kg. Why 20? This is the 20 kg and this is a 250 gram. This is a 250 gram. Now see this one here once again. You have to using the right in column and separate the following example. First of all, you have to draw the column. Okay, this is the kilogram and gram. It means that you have to write down in the 63. You have to write down on this side, and the 500 you have to write down in gram side, and then you have to solve the 43 and 250. Next, you have to solve the 0 minus 0 is what? 0. 10 minus 5 is what? 5. 4 minus 2 is what? 2. 3 minus 3 is a 0. 6 minus 4 is what? 2. And then complete your answer is what? 20 kg, 250 gram is the correct answer. Why? Because of 20 kg and this is our 250 gram is the correct answer. This is our final answer. And next one example is 98 kg, 760 gram. You have to subtract it. 70 kg, 160 gram. Now see the example carefully. The solution of the example is what? First of all, we have to draw the column. It means that kg you have to write down on this side, and this is the gram gm on this side. Same way, if this is a 98 kg, it means that 98 we have to write down on kg, kilogram side. 760 we have to write down on this side. Next, it will be 70 kg, 160 gram. It means that 70 we have to write down on kg, and this is the 160 we have to write down on gram. Okay. Now see the example carefully. First of all, arrange in column, and then we have to subtract the following example using the subtraction sign. Okay. Now we have to solve the example. This is the 0 minus 0 is what? 0. 6 minus 6 was 0. 7 1 minus is what? 6. 8 minus 0 is what? 8. Here will be 9 minus 7 is what? 2. It means that your correct answer is what? This is about 28 and this is about 600. It means that you have to write down in the form of kilogram and gram. That is why your answer is what? Definitely 28 kg and this is our 600 gram. This is about 28 kg and this is our 600 gram. This is the correct answer. Okay. It means that first of all arrange in column and then you have to solve the addition and subtraction of the kilogram and gram. This all three examples are based on we have to find out in the form of kilogram and gram. It means that this all the three examples is based on the addition and the subtraction of the kilogram and gram. Also, everyone student understood the concept regarding your addition and the subtraction of a kilogram and gram. Okay, and the next topic will start from the next of this video. Have a nice day.